Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Kalita Stylish Waves. Guys, I really don't have the energy right now because it's making real hot and I really cannot take the heat. It's too much. This heat is killing me a lot. I even got heat rash on my skin. But I came on today because I am doing a small haul from Wonderful World, etc. Right? Things that I buy from different stores. So I'll be showing you everything in one video. But you all don't find it making real hard these days. I can't even put on makeup. My makeup is melting. If I just put on makeup home and I travel to go to work, by the time I reach to work my makeup is melting. It's making real hot. It really just exhausted. It I don't know, in making real hot, and it have me feeling so weak and tired, you know. But anyway, thanks for coming back to my channel and thanks for watching my videos. I hope you like DIY Wednesdays. It won't be every Wednesday, it will be every other Wednesday because I have a lot on my plate to do, and I just came up to ask y'all and y'all agreed to see it. So I will not be having any this Wednesday coming, but the following Wednesday. Look out for that. I hope you enjoy the first DIY video and I will continue doing it. Thanks for coming back. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and put on a notification bell and share. Please thumbs up. I would appreciate that you thumbs up my video. Let's jump in this, let's say, small haul. Let's go. So the first bag I am going with is the Wonderful World bag. The first item is Color Silicone Facial Mask Brushes. 2 facial mask brushes in the box. It's mess free and easy to clean. It's silicone, so let me just open it so I can show you all personally. Silicone brush. This to apply my facial products. Second item is Color Durable Action Facial Cleansing Brush. Evenly tone and exfoliate skin. To the back, it have microfine bristle for a soft cleanse. This is how it's look. I will be putting the prices to the side. Yes, both of them is green. When I went Wonderful World, I say I'm going to start getting serious with my face because I do makeup. I going to find stuff, everything on the wall green and pink, so I picked the green. So everything I showing you here is green. The next item is Color Under Eye Patches. 5 pairs that help reduce the fine lines, wrinkles, dryness and puffiness. Is a gel type and it made in Korea. So again, 5 pairs, let me open the box, of under eye patches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It also have collagen and hyaluronic acid. The next thing I bought is hydrating and nourishing kissable hydrogel lip mask, collagen and rose flower extract. It have 5 pieces in the box. This is what it looks like. So it's 5 pieces of mask for your lips. Actually, this was not hung up in the facial section. It's when I walk all the way, then I actually saw this on a shelf and I picked it up. Next item is Vitamin C Collagen Essence Mask. Brighten and age defining vitamin C, energize boosting skin elasticity, restores hydration. It is a 1 sheet and it's made in Korea. One of these. The next one is Scala, both is Scala brand, right? Hyaluronic acid and collagen essence face mask. It revitalizes, hydrate and strengthened. Reduce the appearance of fine lines with moisturizing and restoring nutrients. Made in Korea. Is it anything that made in Korea? I do some reviews on that and it's good stuff, trust me. The next item I bought is a Spa Solution microfiber hair turban, super absorbent and quick dry. This is a towel that I bought for my hair. When I wash my hair, I have something to wrap my hair. This is how it looks. I have one of these, but it's gone through now. It's a long while I have been using it and I need to get one. In all, I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items plus 8. I almost forget this one. Sugar lip scrub, polishing scrub for dry and lined lips, aloe vera. This is a sugar scrub for my lips. That is wonderful. Well, items that I bought. As we on to face, I purchased some face products from a page on Instagram locally in Trinidad called Talking Face Titi. No, Talking Faces Titi, sorry. They sell Korean products, so I reach out to them and let them know how my skin are and what I want to improve, and they suggest these products for me. And when I went and picked them up, they actually saw my face and they said, yes, it's true, that is how my face are. I do not have any acne, just my face is uneven. The skin tone is uneven and around my mouth are dark. I bought these products to up my game. It come in this bag. I am starting off with the face wash. It's a pH 5.5 all clean green foam Chemish pH balancing facial cleanser, mild clean effect, low acid for sensitive skin. These products come from Korea. Actually, I start using it. It's just I kept it in the box so I can show you all. So this is the wash. It's 100% vegan, cruelty free. Secondly, I bought a toner, Vita B5 toner, to reduce dryness, tightness and roughness. It's alcohol free, low pH hydration toner that replenish lost moisture to rehydrate the skin and keep the skin pH balanced. This is the box and this is what it looks like. This is the toner. I already start using it. As I said, I am on my third day using it. I just kept it in the box so you all can see, but I could take it out now. Next item is same Vita B3 sauce to reduce dullness and uneven skin tone. Well, as I said, my skin is very uneven. This is a serum, a high performance double brightening serum that brightens skin overall appearance and fades dark spots and skin discoloration. This is how the bottle is looking out the box. And I also got Sentinel Calming Gel Cream, brightens and wrinkle care double functional cosmetic. It's a cream for my face. Tea tree leaf water 10% blemishing calming. That's the cream. And the next item is 3 replenishing moisturize, 8 types of hyaluronic acid, no white cast, hyaluronic acid watery sun gel. So it have SPF 50. It's a sunscreen. I will use the sunscreen when I'm going out in the sun to protect my face, okay? And I get 2 free little items, which is a glow whatever you go dark spot correcting glow serum and a daily care cleansing calming and pH balance. 2 samples. So this is what I bought for my skin. I will be doing, as I said, a routine on my skin. I have some videos coming up for you. I am taking care of my skin. I used to, but I am getting serious when it comes to skincare because I cannot be putting on makeup and my skin looking rough or looking like sandpaper. Look out for that video. The next bag, I went to Mustafa's in Port of Spain on high up on Frederick Street, and I purchased some oils from them and a cocoa butter 4 ounce. Mustafa's cocoa butter. And the oils I purchased from him is avocado oil, sweet almond oil, smelling nice. I purchased grapeseed oil, and vitamin E oil. These oils I purchased is for my hair and skin. Look out for the next DIY. The most expensive oil was the vitamin E oil and is the smallest bottle So if you want your oils, your rich oils, not the oils selling in Pennywise in them cute bottle, go at Mustafa's and buy your oils. And today I just went down the road in a local store where I live, and I purchased 3 more oils. I purchased extra virgin olive oil, and I purchased castor oil, and I purchased Jamaican black castor oil. Actually, this oil I just use in a tube bottle and distributed throughout my hair with some other oils, right? These oils I buy is for skin and hair. So guys, this is it, the small haul that I gathered to show you all. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, put on your notification bell and thumbs up. So see you all in my next